My dear students, in last remote class, I was completed till data types. Today I will tell you about Python variables. In Python variables, we will study about what is variable, what are the rules to create the variables, what are the rules to assigning the name to the variable, putting the variable name, assigning the rules to the variables. Now let us start one by one. What is a variable? In Python, variables are the name of reserved memory locations that stores some type of value. In Python, a variable can store any type of value. In other words, we can say a variable in Python is a way to provide data in the programs so that computer can process this program. Variables are nothing but reserved memory location to store values and that have certain names. Simply, variables are a name of memory location that stores some values, and this value may be of any type. In another views, when you create a variable, it means we reserve some space in the memory. We means compiler reserves some space in the memory. Now our next point, creating variables in the Python. Before going to discuss this point, first clear your view about definition of variables. If anyone asks you what is the definition of variables, the exact definition of variable is the variables are the name of memory location that stores values, and this value may be of any type. Any type means value may be integer type, may be float type, may be string type, may be list, may be dictionary, may be tuple, etc. What happens internally? As well as you create a variable, compiler, interpreter reserves some space in the memory and put their name that you want. Now let us see next point, creating variables in Python. Here it is very interesting. In the Python programming language, declaration of variable is not required. However, in other programming languages such as C, C++, Java, declaration of variable is required before using it. But in the Python, declaration of variable is not required. Just assign a value to a name by using assignment operator. Here I am giving you some examples. For example, x is equal to 12. Here x is a integer data type. Here x stores the integer type of value and value is 12 and name is x. So x is a variable name and this x stores the value of integer type and integer type 12. Next, a is equal to 5.7. Here variable name is a and value stored by the variable is 5.7 and this value of fraction is of fraction type. K is equal to Ravi. Here name of variable is k and value is Ravi. This value is of string type and k stores k refers the value Ravi. Variables in Python can hold values of any type and you cannot restrict these. आप इसे restrict नहीं कर सकते. Now based on the data type of a variable, the interpreter allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory space. Therefore, we can say by assigning the different data type to the variables, you can store the integers, decimal, characters, etc. I hope you are very clear with the rules. Now let us see rules to make a variable name. When you create a variable, then you need to make a variable name. As you have seen in the above example, the variable names were a, x, k. The variable names, about the variable names, I would like to tell you, a variable can have a short name like x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r, etc. Or a variable name can be more descriptive name like